Look at these strange codes. They are not phone numbers, they are not passwords. So what do they mean?
Scientists can write a whole substance with just a few letters.
How do they do that?
Is there a secret rule?
Look carefully at these cards. Each one has a charge. Some are positive, some are negative. These two ions look different, but notice their charges. Do you see something interesting? What do you think? Which combination looks correct? Make your prediction.
Now the puzzle gets harder. One ion has +2 charge, the other has -1 charge.
Can they still join?
Here comes our first clue. Positive and negative charges balance each other. The total charge becomes 0. That seems important. Look at this combination. 1 magnesium ion, 2 chloride ions. Now the total charge becomes 0. Another clue appears. The charges must balance. No extra positive charge. No extra negative charge. Now try this one. 3 plus and 2 minus. How many ions will be needed? Can you guess? Scientists use a simple rule. It helps them write chemical formulae. Let's discover that rule. First, write the ion symbols. Then look at their charges. The charges must balance. The final compound must be neutral. Magnesium has +2 charge. Chloride has -1 charge, so 2 chloride ions are needed. That gives MgCl₂. Many things around us have chemical formulae. Salt, chalk, baking soda. Scientists use formulae to identify them quickly. Let's solve a formula puzzle. Use simple ion cards. Can you make neutral compounds? Here is a challenge. Calcium has +2 charge.
Chloride has -1 charge.
How many chloride ions are needed?
Today we solved a secret code. Formulas are built using balanced charges.
Why do you think nature prefers neutral compounds?
Let's remember the rule. Look at the charges. Balance them. Then write the formula.